Right, welcome back. I'm back on the balcony, I'm back on the beam, and this is the Paloma in 90 seconds. Very simply, a Paloma is just a tequila and grapefruit juice with a little bit of lemon and lime soda. A power Paloma will get a salted rim just like a margarita would. Don't be scared of the tequila. The tequila provides the backbone for this drink, but don't be shy and get it in there. Depending on the grapefruit juice and how sweet it is, you might want to add a sweetening agent. Sugar, agave, and honey will all work in a Paloma, but agave will be the best. Obviously because it comes from the agave plant as well. To brighten the drink up, you should add a little bit of lime juice. You should use lemon and lime soda as a topping agent, but if you don't get your hands on it, then you can just use regular soda, or a dry lemon or a bitter lemon could be a good substitute. Here you go, champions, the Paloma.